Hi friends, in this video we're going to talk about an interesting company called Tata Elxsi. So this company again it's an service provider for different industries like automotive, communications and healthcare. So they offer research and strategy to electronics and mechanical design and also other development services to companies across the world. So majority of this company's clients again they come from Europe and America, and the remaining from India and other parts of the world. So now what makes this company interesting is that the stock price has risen drastically over the last 15 months. So if you just see the last 1 year, so the stock price has risen, and from March 2020, so it has almost become 7 8x. So now, what made the stock price to re-rate and grow to great 8x? So I look back at their last 10 years financial performance. So where the company made a turnover of almost close to 500 crores, and their operating profit margin during 2012 were around 13%. So now it has almost doubled to 29%. So this is because of the highly strategic projects the company takes, where it has helped them to improve their margins and also command more higher prices. And their sales had almost become 3 to 4x during the same period. The company's tax payout seems to be also be healthy at a corporate rate of 20 to 30%. So they are good in paying out tax, because no doubt Tata Group of companies, so they always pay the taxes and have highest corporate governance. So the combined net profit for the last 10 years is almost close to 1,700 crores. And if you see the cash flow from operations, so it's on the number is almost the same, which means that the company is able to convert most of its profits into cash, which is a good thing to have. And also, again, the company is almost is having a negligible debt. So no doubt the company is almost making 29% in operating margins and a net profit margin almost in double digits. So the company has a higher surplus cash, which can pay out to its shareholders. And that's why it has free cash flows. And it has a sustainability growth of 96%. So now the company's sales growth is 15%, but without borrowing any external funds, the company can again double its sales by 100%. So which means that it's a fundamentally sound stock, and the ROE is also greater than 30% consistently over the last 10 years. And also again the company's receivables, which is the cash conversion that happens. So usually it happens within less than 90 days, which is a good thing to have, being a service company. And their market cap has almost grown from 611 crores to a staggering 23,000 crores. So today, when I do a price to sales calculation, the company is again trading at a price to sales of 12. So if I divide this total market capitalization by the amount of sales, it's coming at around a ratio of 12, which is an indication that the stock is again slightly overvalued. And in the globally across countries, stocks that are again innovators and who come in pharmaceuticals or any advanced monopoly, even those companies they trade less than a price to multiple of 10. But here Tata Elxsi is trading at a price to sales of 12, which is an indication of overvaluation. And over the last 15 months, the stock market itself has doubled, where due to remote work, most of these IT companies they were able to rise even higher due to the tides that are again towards them. So in this case, now being overvalued, the stock also has consistently grown its equity base, where today it's around 1,352 crores, and the debt to equity is again almost negligible, or it's not there. So what's interesting me to me is that it's again a good company with good financial fundamentals run by promoters. But investors should wait for the stock to get corrected before taking position in the stock. And I don't have any holdings in this stock, so I would recommend you to consult your financial advisor and wait for the opportune time to invest in this. I hope you like this video, and feel free to subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you so much.